guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be going on a little bit of a mission.
Your mission, Jim, should you decide to accept it.
We're going to go look for some rock pools, not too far from where I live, about a 10-minute drive and then probably a half an hour hike. Yeah, apparently there's some great rock pools there. I am going the main
Today, Junior.
point of this mission is to just grab some long exposure shots. Problem is though, light is a bit harsh. Sunrise is already over. Should have gone in the morning but didn't. I'm only starting work this afternoon, so got the morning off to just run around, mess about in the rock pools. Probably gonna have a swim. Hopefully the water's a bit more cold than yesterday. It was quite warm yesterday. And I want to introduce you guys to someone.
Oh, Rosa Bears.
Look at this little baby. Look at her.
Hey.
Too fucking cute. Yeah, so that's going to be the mission, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Later. Whoa, almost lost your pen.
Problem with the machine to print the receipt.
Yeah, don't worry.
Okay.
It's not a problem.
Waiting for the security.
Alright, cool. I don't know my registration. Thank you. Waiting for it, yeah. We know you're gonna pocket that 50, love. But that's fine also, I guess. The light is so harsh right now. But we're going down. It's pretty much, actually, guys. So, you can see down there's that little islandy thing sticking out. That's not where we're going. We're going down, like down here. We just have to go all the way around and then but yeah, apparently that's where these rock pools are, so stunning here though. So beautiful. Right guys, we are here. Such a beautiful day. So this is the island. I'm not going there. I'm planning on, where are we now? Are we here? I'm planning on just going like to there. Not far at all. I have done this whole story. But there's some really beautiful views that you're about to see. I usually shoot my videos in 4K. But unfortunately the 4K has no image stabilization, so for a walk it's just never gonna work. So I'm gonna try shoot in 1080. It does have. Right, so what a stunning place. It's a bit windy, but it's actually quite nice. Just lends a little bit of a breeze to the mission. Not against the wind at all. So this path that I'm on now leads, if you just keep going straight, it leads down to, trying to spot some sharks, leads down to a whole bunch. I think it's about 5,000 seals or something crazy like that. So you can imagine how or why there's so many great white sharks around here. There's an insane amount of great white sharks especially at a certain time of year, which is not far away actually. Usually June, July, August, sort of winter time, we get so many great whites. I'm hoping we might actually spot one. The thing is, the water isn't super clear. I'm wearing polarized glasses, so I can see it a bit better, but I don't know if the camera would be able to capture it. Right, on we go. Got a bit excited. Thought you see that? I don't know if you can see it. There's a dark shape there. Thought it was a shark. The seals are like just around that corner. They freaking stink, so glad I'm not going to be going there. We're going this way. We're going another way. We go down. So guys, we've just disappeared behind the mountain there. You can see the sun still blaring behind, but it's made a really nice contrasted light. Really pretty, man. And the surf actually really good out here. Trying to get out of frame so it focuses. Anyway, I'll turn the camera around now. Special. Don't run away. I'm just looking for some friends. Come on. Be my friend. So literally, you and I are going to experience my first look over this way. Never ever seen this before. Oh, these rock pools are tiny. So guys, this is the composition that I've kind of lined up. Just try to focus here for you. Yeah, it's a bit better. This rock over here, you'll see now, gets a whole bunch of water on it, and then what you can't see is it all drains out over here also. Just wait for it. Oh, there's more water. Here you can see a little bit. I mean, you got all in the background here also a whole bunch of water. That's pretty much going to be my composition. I really like this rock. Look at that. In long exposed, that's going to be stunning. So that is going to be the composition. Unfortunately, this light here is so harsh that I'm 90% sure it's going to be black and white. Oh, look at that. Imagine that long exposed. Look at all of that. Woo! It's going to be so... Oh, man. It's going to be so good. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm thinking of doing. So surely I didn't come all this way not to swim. Water's cold. It's kind of what I wanted. The wind is blowing, but that's okay. I think I want to go. There's a little deep section over here where I'll be able to submerge myself properly. Water, I would say, is probably 14-15 degrees. Not really freezing, but it's cold enough, I think. I'm definitely gonna need to breathe it out. Let's give it a shot. Alright, so not much left. Just gonna mission back up, get home, and start editing. Hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. It's like my real first kind of mission vlog that I've done. Yeah, please guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you check out my next mission. Thank you so much for watching.